Playbooks is what we're going to talk about today. Playbooks are designed to help you guys with a lot of really cool things. So that's why we're going to talk about it. What you'll need: a BoldTrail account, a Google or Microsoft Outlook account. Those are just for emails. A leads file. If you haven't imported your leads, you could use a CSV file to import your leads into the system. There's a playbook for that. If you already have leads in your system, then you're good. And then you don't have to have this, but it is a good thing if you're going to use a playbook to have a listing, if you're going to promote a listing, because that's also another playbook in there. So what is a playbook? Why are we talking about this today? A playbook is designed, or was designed, or has been designed by Inside Real Estate to help people with a series of actions that might otherwise take you a bunch of clicks. A playbook is exactly what it sounds like. It's a series of actions and a centralized place to help you set up and run those actions, okay? What kind of actions are we talking about? We're talking about adding contacts, adding hashtags to those contacts, creating landing pages and squeeze pages, sending out emails to your contacts, and promoting a listing either with your network of people or on social media. There are 3 different playbooks. Let's talk about where you can go to find those. On your dashboard, there at the top is a section that says Playbooks. That's going to show you the playbooks that are available. You can also find them down here in the bottom left-hand corner under the More option. Playbooks is right there. And then let's talk about the 3 different types of playbooks that BoldTrail has in place for you. So we have Promote a Listing, which is why I said it's nice if you have a listing. Gather your sphere contacts, which is that CSV file I was talking about. So if you haven't imported your contacts, you can use this to do that. Or if you have contacts in there, you can work your sphere of contacts with this Work Your Sphere playbook. All right, let's log in, check it out. First things first, where are the playbooks? Again, they're right here in the middle of your dashboard. They are over here under More, and Playbooks right here. You can click View All to access to each of them, or you can just click on the one you want right in the dashboard by clicking on one of these 3 options. The first one we're going to talk about is gathering your sphere. So we're going to click on this playbook, and it's going to say, all right, this is going to explain to you what it is. This playbook is designed to help agents get their sphere into their CRM, organize their sphere into actionable lists, and help them set up their sphere to be automatically nurtured by your CRM. Completing this playbook, agents will have a well-organized sphere that they can use to work your sphere, and the playbook will turn your sphere into active leads. How do you get started with this? You click Open the Playbook right here under this green button, and it's going to take you into your actions. Now, my only gripe with this is it's not very clear cut on how you do this. So, take that for what it is. But you'll see that each action is called a play, right? So right here it says all plays. Right here, where next to that says playbook results. So you'll actually be able to see the results of the actions you completed. And then a quick sheet is going to give you links that you've generated using this playbook. So this playbook results is your after the fact to make sure your checklist is completed. The quick sheet is where you can go back and get those links that you've created. The first one is going to be import your sphere contacts. So if I click on that, it's going to walk me through the options to add my contacts into BoldTrail. So I can import my contacts over here. And as we know, there are 2 ways to do that. You can let BoldTrail handle it, which is what I certainly suggest to do. You can schedule a call right here to talk with the leads import specialist, and they'll help you gather those contacts and import them. If you already have your CSV file, you can submit the file right here, or you could do it yourself. So if you've ever added contacts to a database before, you can click Get Started here, and then you can start to add those contacts on your own. Once you have completed that, you can hit Done, and that will check mark this off and let you know that you've completed step 1 of your playbook. If you want to move to the next step, you just click Skip Play. And now it's going to give you the options to create these 2 different squeeze pages, and squeeze page and a landing page. So I get asked that. I made a video about it. How do you create a landing page or a squeeze page? But this is a market report squeeze page to help you post this on your social media, which is right here. You can easily just post it. So you can enter in your zip code. I'm putting mine, and then it's going to automatically create a link, right? So I can copy it right here, and then I can go and paste it into my social media with a custom, message. It also, you'll notice below, it automatically adds a hashtag to the leads that come in from this report. So gather your sphere playbook. So if anybody clicks on this market report and becomes a lead in your system, they will be hashtagged with gather your sphere playbook, and you'll know that they came from these actions that you've taken today. The next one is a home valuation landing page. So you're going to select your domain name and it's automatically going to create it for you. I can copy that and go to it. This is what it will look like when it creates it automatically. So, what's your home worth? Enter your address to get an instant home valuation. This is the same page that is on your website under the sell option, but this is a landing page directing people to it. So it just looks a little cleaner than sending people directly to your website. Again, those people are also going to be hashtagged with gather your sphere playbook to let you know they came from these actions. So once you've completed those, just hit done or skip to the next play. And the next part is going to be create sphere contact hashtags. So now it's going to ask you, hey, it's going to create hashtags for you, like family and friends, coworkers, neighbors, Facebook friends, and you can add custom hashtags here for yourself that might be beneficial to you. So like agent, for example, and you can add as many as you want and then hit save and continue. What that's going to do is it's going to add those hashtags to your database so that when you go into your contact itself, you can add these hashtags to them within the contact card, or you can mass update them in the contacts list. The next thing is going to be moving your contacts into sphere groups. Here, once you've imported your contacts, you can group your sphere contacts into those hashtag groups that we just talked about. Now, another part of this is going to be behavioral automation. If you're unfamiliar with the behavioral automation of BoldTrail, what it does is it tracks the behavior of the contacts in your system and then turns them into an active lead. Again, this is super cool. This is one of my favorite things about BoldTrail, because if you have leads that go to your website, let's say they revisited your website after 14 days, or they visited your website 5 times in a week, or they viewed 5 properties in the last 24 hours, or the lead viewed 10 properties in a week. These are all really strong buying signals or activity signals. What will happen is the behavioral automation will recognize these behaviors and it will email and text those contacts on your behalf automatically. Now, the way it will do that is based on these contact types that you have turned on in the system. So anybody who, in this instance, anybody who's a new lead, a prospect, or a sphere who takes any of these actions that I have turned on will get one of these emails or one of these texts, actually both. And now you can preview what it says. So, here's a preview of an email. And if you don't like what it says, you can edit it by just clicking the edit button here. And then, you can put in the words that you like, or you can choose a template that you already have built. So again, I hope you can start to see how all of these playbooks connect, because now we've added contacts, we've added hashtags, we've added landing pages, we've added squeeze pages, we've turned on behavioral automation. It's basically taking all of the things that you would want to do to manage your contacts and putting them in one concise step-by-step order for you. We'll go to the next one. The next one is going to be setting up your birthdays and anniversaries and having the system automate that for you too. So you can say, hey, I want to send out birthday text messages to my clients, to my new maybe prospects or sphere contacts, or people who I've closed, who have bought and sold with me. And you can see what the templates look like. And then same for anniversaries. So anniversaries are going to be, you could do marital anniversaries if you want. You can do purchase anniversaries, all of that stuff. And so then again, you just turn those on as well. And you can change what the templates are when those emails go out. So now we've set up birthday anniversary responses and birthday and anniversary responses on your behalf. So again, another step that's really cool in here. And now that we've completed all of those, it's going to say, all right, now let's work your sphere. It's going to actually, if I click this green button, take me to the next playbook, which is how to work this sphere that you've recently added and added hashtags for and all of that. So let's go to open playbook here. And it's not really going to show everything because I don't have a whole lot of context in here, but it's going to say fill in the contact gaps. So it's going to show you contacts in here that are missing information, and then you can fill the information in for that contact. Capitalize on sphere opportunities. Again, it's going to allow you to send out messages to these people right here, but I haven't added any contacts. The next one is going to be reach out to your sphere and contacts. So this is going to show you anybody who you haven't communicated with in 90 days. Create life events. So let's see, let's add a new contact. Test. 555. And all right, send that buyer. Lead status is sphere. No, all right. Let's see. Maybe add anything else. 10 digit. Oh, let's just do able to. Okay. Test.com. All right. So now you can create a list of people in here and you can create live events list. So you can add those people in here and create that list. The next thing is going to be dial your lists. So if you've created a live event list and you've added people to it, now you can set up calls to all those people. And that's what this dial your list is for. And then schedule your monthly newsletter. So in here, now you can create a newsletter as well. So this playbook, again, is designed to help you fill out all your contact information, capitalize on your sphere opportunities, reach out to those people, create a live event list, and call your leads, and then also schedule a monthly newsletter. So all of these actions are already in place within BoldTrail, but this coagulates all of that into one easily accessible way to do it. So now you can say, hey, I want to find people who are new leads. I want to send out this monthly newsletter. Here's my template. I can write a subject for it. I can even add a video if I want and send out your basically scheduling a mass email. And then finally, you could do a market report and a home valuation report again. So if you already have contacts in your system, it's going to pull in plays from the Gather Your Sphere playbook, and because they're applicable, and then you can run those in here. It's going to give you details on everything that you've done. So once you've run your playbook, you can come in here and you can see your progress. You can see all of the contacts here, all of the actions you took, and review each step of that. And then also your quick sheet here where your squeeze page and landing pages links are housed. Now, okay, so we've done gather your sphere, work your sphere. Now let's talk about promoting a listing. How do you make sure you find your listings in here? Well, in your profile, under your profile, you want to make sure that you add your MLS ID and make sure that your MLS is synced with your BoldTrail account. And then anytime you add a listing to your MLS, it will populate in here. So what you'll do is you'll open the promote a listing playbook. And let's say you don't have any listings like I don't right now. So I'm going to do my company listings. And let's say I like this house. Let's not do that one. Let's do, I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Let's do this one in Springville. I can hit start promoting, and it's going to, again, walk me through all of the steps I need to promote this to my contacts, to the internet, build landing pages, build squeeze pages, and easily share those out. So the first thing is notify agents. When you have a listing, what's the best way to do it? Hey, I'm going to tell all the people within LGI or Legacy Group International, I'm going to email all those people and let them know I have a new listing, and then they can share it out if they want. I can select certain agents and I can email them. I can use a video if I want, like, hey guys, just want to let you know I have a new listing and here are the details below. And then here's the subject of the email that's going to go out. Obviously, I would suggest to change that. The next thing is going to be your new listing announcements. You could change what all this stuff, what all this stuff says, but you can see there's merge tags in here. So it's going to automatically populate with the listing address, with the main photo of the listing, the bed, bath, square footage, all that stuff. And then it's going to populate with a link to your website to view the listing as well. Now, if your people that are in BoldTrail that you send this to, if they have their contacts set up on a listing or search alert, they can click find matching buyers and it will match the people in their database with your listing. So it really helps streamline how to find people, how to find buyers that might be interested in your property. So that's why it's really cool to notify the agents that you have a listing. The next is going to be for you to find matching buyers. For example, this one found Lincoln Peters. He's an active lead in my system. He matches the listing criteria of this property because of his search alert. So I can send him a text message. Here's what it's going to say. I can schedule an email to send to him, new listing announcement. And now, if this was populated with 20, 30, 40 people that might match this listing criteria, I have now mass emailed all those people a link to this property. So they might be interested in it. I can do a custom list as well. So if I have a saved filter in my system, of, buyers, I can do the same. So I can schedule an email there, send them a text message. So really cool. I really like this one, the promote a listing. The next thing it's going to do is it's going to create for you a text code. So it's going to use your smart number and it's going to create a text code for you. And if somebody texts that, they're going to get a link to the property, which is great. So you can put that on, here's some examples: flyers, postcards, digital ads, all. So that's really nice that it automatically creates for you that text code. Next is Property Boost. So as we all know, like, it's really good to promote your listings and advertise them on Facebook and other areas. So Property Boost is a really easy and quick way to do it. So it's going to take you right there where you can boost your property now. The next one is going to be squeeze pages, landing pages. If you're one of the few that still uses Craigslist, you can use that. And then also it does create you a virtual tour of the property. I hesitate to click on that, but it will create you a virtual tour of the property as well. So you can promote all of these on your social medias. You can copy and paste them and send them in an email, text people to them, whatever. And you'll notice that when you do that, like the landing page, for example, has a Playbook hashtag with it. So any leads that come from that, you'll know exactly where they came from, which is great. Next one is going to be initiate a seller report. So obviously, as you guys know, if you have a listing, it's tied to somebody, you should have them in your system as a seller. So I haven't added the seller yet. So I would add a seller here. And then what it will do is it actually will send them a weekly report on the property views, on leads generated, market report, all that sort of stuff. So they will automatically email out on your behalf all of those things to your seller, which is invaluable, really. Stay top of mind with them, help them, understand what you're doing to market their property. Now you can also turn on smart campaign. So if you wanted to turn on a smart campaign, you can do that. And now any leads that come in from this will automatically apply to that smart campaign. And then now we're back to the notification of your agents. So we've started over. So that is how you would use a playbook to basically launch a property, right? So that's really good. Now you also get the playbook results here. How many contacts did you generate? How many agents opened and viewed those emails? Your quick sheet. So there's your landing pages. How many agents did you notify? How many matching buyers did you contact? And that's, in a nutshell, that's what playbooks are. So I think they're a really smart way to use BoldTrail. Again, they were designed to help you guys to maximize your time and do things in a more simple way, but have really strong results. And maybe you don't know how to do a landing page or a squeeze page or add your contacts. So the playbook is designed to help you accomplish each of those actions.